Ready to level up your gaming and productivity? The future is here, and in 2025, the best PC is no longer just a dream, it's a reality. From jaw-dropping performance to mind-blowing design, we're diving into the top setups you need to experience. Whether you're a hardcore gamer, content creator, or power user, these are the machines that will change the game. So, what are you waiting for? Let's find your next powerhouse right here, right now. Let's go! Number 5. Asus M3702. The Asus M3702 is a versatile and powerful device that stands out in the competitive landscape of laptops and tablets. Designed with both functionality and aesthetics in mind, it boasts a sleek and modern design that appeals to a wide range of users, from professionals to students. One of the standout features of the M3702 is its exceptional display quality. With a vibrant and high-resolution screen, users can enjoy crisp visuals whether they're working on a presentation, streaming videos, or editing photos. The display's color accuracy and brightness levels also make it suitable for creative tasks, allowing artists and designers to see their work come to life. Under the hood, the Asus M3702 is equipped with robust hardware that ensures smooth performance across various applications. Its powerful processor and ample RAM allow for seamless multitasking, making it easy to switch between demanding applications without any lag. Additionally, the device comes with a range of storage options, ensuring that users have enough space for their files, applications, and media. Battery life is another significant advantage of the M3702. Number 4. Dell Inspiron 7730. The Dell Inspiron 7730 is a powerful and versatile laptop designed to meet the needs of both professionals and everyday users. Featuring a sleek and modern design, this laptop combines aesthetics with functionality, making it an ideal choice for those who appreciate both style and performance. With its spacious 17.3-inch display, users can enjoy a vibrant visual experience whether they're working on spreadsheets, streaming videos, or gaming. Under the hood, the Inspiron 7730 is equipped with the latest Intel or AMD processors, offering rapid performance for multitasking and demanding applications. Coupled with ample RAM and a high-capacity SSD, this laptop ensures quick boot times and efficient data access, allowing users to handle multiple tasks with ease. One of the standout features of the Inspiron 7730 is its enhanced audio experience. Number 3. Lenovo ThinkCentre AIO. The Lenovo ThinkCentre AIO All-in-One series represents a significant step forward in the realm of desktop computing, particularly for businesses and professionals seeking a reliable and compact solution. Combining powerful performance with a sleek design, the ThinkCentre AIO is engineered to maximize productivity while minimizing the clutter of traditional desktop setups. One of the standout features of the ThinkCentre AIO is its space-saving design, which integrates all the essential components monitor, CPU, and speakers into a single unit. This not only frees up valuable desk space, but also reduces cable clutter, helping to create a clean and organized workspace. The modern aesthetic of the device is suited for any office environment, making it an attractive choice for both corporate and home office users. Performance-wise, the ThinkCentre AIO doesn't compromise. Equipped with the latest Intel or AMD processors, ample RAM, and fast SSD storage options, it delivers smooth multitasking and quick load times for applications, whether for data analysis, graphic design, or everyday productivity tasks. Number 2. HP 22-inch All-in-One. The HP 22-inch All-in-One is a versatile desktop solution that seamlessly combines performance with a sleek design, making it an excellent choice for both home and office environments. With its space-saving form factor, this all-in-one computer eliminates the need for a separate tower, providing a clutter-free workspace. The 22-inch display offers vibrant visuals and sharp details, perfect for everything from work tasks to streaming your favorite shows. Equipped with reliable processing power, the HP 22-inch All-in-One is designed to handle daily computing needs with ease. Whether you're browsing the internet, working on spreadsheets, or enjoying multimedia content, this machine delivers smooth performance and responsive multitasking capabilities. Number 1. Apple iMac M4. The Apple iMac M4 represents a significant leap forward in desktop computing, showcasing Apple's commitment to innovation and performance. With its sleek and modern design, the iMac M4 is not only an aesthetic upgrade, but also a powerhouse of capabilities that cater to both casual users and creative professionals alike. At its core, the iMac M4 is powered by Apple's M4 chip, which offers remarkable processing power and efficiency. This chip integrates advanced CPU and GPU capabilities, allowing for seamless multitasking and stunning graphics performance. Whether you're editing high-resolution videos, designing intricate graphics, or simply browsing the web, the M4 chip ensures that the iMac can handle demanding tasks with ease. One of the standout features of the iMac M4 is its impressive Retina display.